Welcome to this year's Paper Days. It's fantastic to see so many passionate, dedicated professionals from the paper and board industry gathered here today. We have over 130 participants this year, a strong testament to our shared commitment to advancing our industry and reminder the role we are playing to shape the future of sustainable packaging, paper, solutions and more.
So I'm the managing director of Vision Hunters, a Finnish strategic consulting company in the pulp and paper industry. Naturally, this is a rare opportunity where you gather a lot of knowledgeable people in one place in a relaxed atmosphere, very talkative. So a good opportunity to change ideas and implement best practices.
I think it's been a great 2 days. Nice to hear about the lectures from the other people as well, and to get more insight. I especially like today with the focus on the future and how to handle it.
I would like to talk about the new development. We work together with Bellmer, and it's been a great partnership, right? And it's being a very transparent and trustworthy one. And I'm very excited to talk about that today, this afternoon.
Myself, Amit Gupta from Devpri Industries, Meerut, in India. We are making some 700 tons of packaging grade paper, craft paper and duplex. We have bought some 2 of the shoe presses and we have ordered 1 calendar also. I was going to meet a lot of international people. You know, you feel good that you are a part of it.
My name is Janne Hamari. I work as a managing director in Tervakoski, part of Delfort Group. I'm today here, first time in Nordic Paper Days. The communication and the networking side of this after and between the presentation, which is very important for me as well. So that's what I enjoy.
My name is Enzo Zado. I'm managing director at the Nordic Group. It's a great opportunity to report about our flagship projects. One we have realized is Bellmer. The second thing is there is a huge competence. There are more than 2,000 years, almost 2,000 years of competence in paper making. That's a great platform for sharing.
Good presentations, good topics. I have been enjoying a lot. And of course, the very traditional Finnish dinner was excellent.